Scientists in Germany flipped the switch Wednesday on an experiment they hope will advance the quest for nuclear fusion, considered a clean and safe form of nuclear power. Following 9 years of construction and testing, researchers at the Max Planck Institute for Plasma Physics in Greifswald injected a tiny amount of hydrogen into a donut-shaped device, then zapped it with the equivalent of 6,000 microwave ovens. The resulting super-hot gas, known as plasma, lasted just a fraction of a second before cooling down again, long enough for scientists to confidently declare the start of their experiment a success. "Everything went well today," said Robert Wolf, a senior scientist involved with the project. "With a system as complex as this, you have to make sure everything works perfectly, and there's always a risk. Among the difficulties is how to cool the complex arrangement of magnets required to keep the plasma floating inside the device," Wolf said. Scientists looked closely at the hiccups experienced during the startup of the Large Hadron Collider in Switzerland more than 5 years ago to avoid similar mistakes, he said. The experiment in Greifswald is part of a worldwide effort to harness nuclear fusion, a process in which atoms join at extremely high temperatures and release large amounts of energy that's similar to what occurs inside the Sun. Advocates acknowledge that the technology is probably many decades away, but argue that once achieved it could replace fossil fuels and conventional nuclear fission reactors. Construction has already begun in southern France on ITER, a huge international research reactor that uses a strong electric current to trap plasma inside a donut-shaped device long enough for fusion to take place. The device, known as a tokamak, was conceived by Soviet physicists in the 1950s and is considered fairly easy to build, but extremely difficult to operate.